lighting up your Baneblade with small scale lights. Right, what do we need to do this simple job of putting lights in Baneblade? Well, we need the parts that we're going to put the lights into, the LED lights, a number of different size drills, and something to hold the drills as well, in this case a pin vise or a small hand drill. What we'll do now, we'll drill out the centres of these headlights using a small drill, in this case a 1.5, and we'll gradually increase the size of the drill until we reach the right size of headlamp to fit the LEDs. Try and start as close to the centre as you can. It will save for filing later on. Nice and slowly. Whilst we've still got the 1.5 drill in, we'll just use the headlights on the panel just to line up, and we can make some locating holes in the back of the armour plate or the panel that will be fixed to Baneblade. We can use these holes later just for lining up to allow us to insert the wires from the LEDs through. Now we change to a larger drill and we keep going until we can fit the LEDs into the back of the fitting. Now the largest drill I have available to me is 2.5, so it's now a matter of just using a small needle file just to open up the openings until the LED fits, but just taking it a small step at a time. If we look at the LED, if we get it in focus, we'll see, if we look at the LED, we can see that it has a small ridge at the end of the lamp. What we need to do is make the hole big enough for this lamp to pass through, but not too big so as to restrict the lamp falling out by this ridge. We'll carry on with that until it fits. And finally, just as we finish filing and we try it for the last time, we can see now how the LED snugly fits inside the lamp without pushing through, because that little collar has just stopped it pushing through. We'll try the other one. There we are. So now all we have to do is file the mounting on the shield, on the armour plating. We need to file that wide enough to accept the little resistors soldered on the back of here, and then we can glue the whole thing together. Let's get on with that. Now once we know that everything fits and we've tried the lights in, they are very fragile, so be very careful around the attachments to the LEDs that you don't snap them off. So now we can begin to assemble the unit. We have here the light that just slides in the back. Now then, with some gentle persuasion and very gentle bending, we can make this all push together, and then we can glue it and hold it down until the glue's set. So remember, be very gentle. The lights are very fragile, but they will go in. So I'll get this in and we'll come back and glue it all together. And there we have it. With a little bit of plastic glue to be extra thin, we can glue it all down. If you do have a little bit of a gap in here or underneath, some filler will be all that be needed just to sort that out. But there it is. That is how we put the headlights in the Baneblade.